While 2022 did reflect a 19.1% decline in overall home sales, home prices were up 29%. This is lower than the national average of 40%, but this indicates that our area will be less inclined to seeing huge price declines as other markets are seeing bigger dips in home prices. It's Friday, January 6th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Many market areas of Maryland still have tight inventories that challenge buyer searches, which indicate that home prices should be relatively stable overall. Forecasts for 2023 predict a 5% drop in home sales nationwide compared to 2022. In our area, predictions are that home sales will fall to the lowest annual sales total since 2015. The Baltimore metro area will be down 6.4%, and the Washington metro area will drop 4.1%. Let's see the recent activity. There are 440 homes coming soon, which is very low. Since my last report, only 1,572 homes came to the market, 915 went under contract, 1,432 moved to pending, 3,215 sold at 99.3% list to sold ratio in 19 median days. The highest priced home to sell was in Bethesda's Bradley Hills Grove for $3,800,000. There are 2,154 rentals offered and still holding steady at $2,350 per month, and days on the market at 32. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help, so let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for January 6th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Happy New Year, and my best to you for a healthy and happy New Year.